We rely on our heating and cooling equipment for comfort, though they can be expensive. Minnick believes every home should be viewed as a system, and when one part is not working properly, everything is affected. Using our 60 years of experience, we help find the gaps in your system, keeping it from running as efficiently as possible. A holistic approach to energy efficiency means our methods get results, and we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call Minnick at 888-483-5740.